Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off dialing keypad sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings, go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, okay, scroll down and go to system sounds. Okay, tap this. And system sounds, okay, you can see the dialing keypad. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the dialing keypad sounds, okay, you'll have to do is turn on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, to turn off again, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the dialing keypad sounds on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off dialing keypad sounds on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.